All right, so we're back here on the Rhino 450 and we have the clutch button back up. Everything's torqued down. We have this cover on with the bolts in just so we can test this. See, the belt is tight, a little tighter than like the Kawasaki, so I'm not 100% sure if that's right, but it looks good. So right here, we're gonna try it. First start up, get the finger in there, there we go. Redid the wiring. That didn't work before, now it does. Pull the choke. Ooh, little miss. Okay. Oh boy. That makes me very happy. All right, so we're gonna button all this up. Actually, maybe I'll put the seat on, take it for a spin, just to double check everything. But oh yes. Oh man, am I excited. Okay, so everything seems to be running okay. I think it needs a good tune-up. The carburetor is kind of dirty, at least from the outside. Who knows? This thing's been sitting for a while too, so the fuel could be really bad. But it moves. It runs and moves perfectly. So I'm super excited about that. Oh man, 2007 Rhino 450. The cheapest one on the planet for sure, with a, was it Amazon or eBay clutch kit. And Yamaha OEM wet clutch. Things working perfect. All right, guys, stay tuned for the next video of taking it for a little test drive.